So the idea is that this artificial intelligence is being developed to benefit humans. And they can do, just like they can do proofreading or translate a whole book in less and less time, maybe just in a few seconds. It should take a human, a good, intelligent human, days, weeks, months to do. Just, okay, translate, it's done. But they do that by being programmed to imitate human intelligence. And they can do things which humans would do with much more effort and difficulty. Just like, for instance, recently a friend of mine in Sweden, he parked his car in the wrong place, and immediately he was notified, you've been fined 500 euros. Now previously that would require a traffic warden to catch you and then take your number, and then you get sent something in the post, and then you have to send it from your bank account. But immediately it's taken from his bank account because the eyes are on you and it's all linked to your banking system, and it's gone out of your bank. So it's very helpful for governments, right? They don't have to catch you and employ people to catch you and have a whole bureaucratic apparatus to fine you, but they just take it right out, and there's nothing you can do. I guess presumably you could have an appeal, but there's not much you can do if it's all right there, it's all recorded. So we cede control to AI, to machines, to benefit us, but as we cede control, we lose control. And the fear is of powerful mechanisms, you call it robots interlinked with computers and beyond human control, with no feelings, programmed to pick up the worst ambitions and aspirations of human society. And instead of machines serving us, we'll become slaves of machines who will tell us what to do or force us to do, either under the control of some despots or beyond any human control whatsoever. So we have no independence, and we're forced to work and they're treated cruelly because they don't have any feelings for us. Or another fear is that, well, machines will come to the point, well, what do we need humans for anyway?